Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Quizlex, where learning meets fun. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of national animals, from powerful lions to graceful antelopes. Every country has a creature that represents its pride. Can you guess the right one? Let's begin the National Animal Quiz and see how wild your knowledge really is. Which country's national animal is the bald eagle? A. Canada, B. USA, C. Mexico, D. Brazil. USA. The bald eagle declared the national bird of the USA in 1782, symbolizes strength, freedom, and courage. Found near rivers and lakes in North America, it is known for its high flights, hunting skills, and secure status among Native American tribes. Which country's national animal is the kangaroo? A. Argentina, B. New Zealand, C. Australia, D. South Africa. Australia. The kangaroo is Australia's most iconic animal and cannot walk backwards, symbolizing progress. It appears on the national emblem and currency. With strong legs, it can leap over 3 meters and outnumber humans in Australia. Which country's national animal is the markhor? A. Pakistan, B. Iran, C. Turkey, D. Afghanistan. Pakistan. Markhor is a mountain goat known for its twisted horns and agility. It represents bravery and resilience and thrives in Pakistan's northern mountains. Conservation efforts have removed it from the endangered list in 2016. Which country's national animal is the beaver? A. Norway, B. Sweden, C. Denmark, D. Canada. Canada. The beaver stands for hard work and perseverance in Canada. Famous for building dams with sharp teeth, it became the national animal in 1975. It plays a key role in Canada's natural and cultural heritage. Which country's national animal is the giant panda? A. China, B. Japan, C. Nepal, D. Thailand. China. The panda represents peace, friendship, and is deeply loved in China. It mainly eats bamboo and is gentle in nature. China uses panda diplomacy and leads global efforts to protect this rare species. Which country's national animal is the lion? A. Kenya, B. UK, C. India, D. Italy. UK. The lion is a symbol of royal power, courage, and pride in the UK. It features on royal emblems, flags, and coins. Historically, it represented strength in wars and kingdoms. Which country's national animal is the Bengal tiger? A. Sri Lanka, B. Bangladesh, C. India, D. Malaysia. India. The Bengal tiger is the national animal of India. It symbolizes strength, power, and grace. Found in Indian forests, it reflects the country's rich wildlife and cultural heritage. Tiger also represents India's commitment to wildlife conservation. Which country's national animal is the springbok? A. Namibia, B. South Africa, C. Egypt, D. Nigeria. South Africa. The springbok is a fast, graceful antelope that thrives in tough conditions. It symbolizes national pride and features on the rugby team's emblem. Known for its high jump, it's unique to southern Africa. Which country's national animal is the Arabian oryx? A. Oman, B. Saudi Arabia, C. Qatar, D. UAE. UAE. The Arabian oryx is a white desert antelope known for its beauty and resilience. In Arab culture, it represents patience and dignity. Once nearly extinct, it now roams freely in the UAE's desert again. Which country's national animal is the brown bear? A. Russia, B. Poland, C. Finland, D. Germany. Russia. The brown bear is a powerful symbol of Russia's nature, strength, and traditions. It dominates forests and is featured in folklore and sports symbols. Russians regard it as a cultural and natural icon. Which country's national animal is the cow? A. Bhutan, B. Nepal, C. Brazil, D. Bangladesh. Nepal. The cow is sacred in Nepal and symbolizes wealth and purity. It plays a vital role in daily life and religious ceremonies. Cow slaughter is banned by law and the animal is celebrated in festivals. Which country's national animal is the Komodo dragon? A. Philippines, B. Vietnam, C. Indonesia, D. Nigeria. Indonesia. The Komodo dragon is the world's largest lizard native to Indonesia's island. Known for its venomous bite and powerful jaws, it symbolizes bravery. Conservation programs now protect this rare reptile. Which country's national animal is the green turtle? A. Jamaica, B. Seychelles, C. Bahamas, D. Maldives. Seychelles. The green turtle is a rare sea creature and part of Seychelles' nature heritage. It travels great distance and supports marine ecosystems. Strict law help protect this endangered species. Which country's national animal is elephant? A. Cambodia, B. Vietnam, C. Iran, D. Thailand. Thailand. The elephant is a symbol of wisdom, strength, and royalty in Thailand. It holds a special place in religious traditions and royal history. White elephants are especially honored as signs of good fortune. Which country's national animal is the kiwi bird? A. Fiji, B. Samoa, C. New Zealand, D. Mexico. New Zealand. The kiwi is a small, flightless bird that represents New Zealand's identity. It's nocturnal and shy, and the term Kiwi also refers to New Zealanders. Conservation efforts are in place to protect this rare bird. Which country national animal is the jaguar? A. Brazil. B. Argentina. C. Colombia. D. Venezuela. Brazil. The jaguar is Brazil's most powerful predator and a master swimmer. It represents strength, royalty, and balance in the ecosystem. It rules the dense Amazon rainforest and is vital for biodiversity. Which country's national animal is the rooster? A. Portugal. B. Spain. C. France. D. Belgium. France. The rooster is a French symbol of hope, courage, and new beginnings. It has roots in Roman times and appears on sports logos. It reflects national pride and the spirit of awakening. Which country's national animal is the Andean condor? A. Ecuador. B. Chile. C. Peru. D. Bolivia. Chile. The Andean condor is the world's largest flying bird, living in mountain regions. It symbolizes freedom and power in Chile and was honored by ancient Inca cultures. Today, it's a protected natural treasure. Which country's national animal is the saiga antelope? A. Uzbekistan. B. Italy. C. Mongolia. D. Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan. This saiga has a large oar-shaped nose and survives extreme cold. It's part of Kazakhstan's cultural heritage and lives in Central Asian steppes. Conservation programs aim to save this endangered species. Which country's national animal is the Siberian tiger? A. South Korea. B. Japan. C. North Korea. D. Bhutan. South Korea. South Korea's national animal is the Siberian tiger, symbolizing strength and courage. It appears in Korean folklore and art as a guardian figure, too rarely seen in the wild today. It remains a powerful cultural symbol. Great job, Quizmasters! How many national animals did you guess correctly? Tell us your score in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Quizlex for more awesome quizzes every day. Until next time, stay smart, stay curious. Thank you.